The Flag Attack Sonic Boom flag belt is a unique product in the adult flag football game. The patented release system is what sets it apart. There is a distinct pop or sonic boom sound generated from pulling the flag from its belt. This helps let referees know when and where the player's flag was pulled, which results in a more accurate spotting of the ball. Additionally, Flag Attack Sonic Boom belts come in an assortment of colors. Currently, the flags and belts come in 5 colors: gold, Kelly green, royal blue, white, scarlet red to complement your team jersey colors. Most leagues will not allow flags and belt colors that fully blend with the team jerseys and shorts, so this is a great way to contrast the colors of your flag belts to your team uniforms without any special alterations. These belts are easily adjustable to fit everyone from that slim, speedy wide receiver to the heavyweight offensive lineman. That said, Sonic belts can be ordered in 2 alternate sizes. First, the smaller belts are measured at 42 inches long, while the larger belts are 52 inches long. The length does not include the clamp that secures the flag to the belt around the waist. The loop buckle allows the belt to secure around the waist and allows for players to tuck the belt material through the loop for a comfortable fit without a ton of leftover slack on the belt. Therefore, you won't have to worry about the belt dropping down your hips as you run a deep post to the end zone or scramble down the field for additional yardage. Each belt comes with 2 flags apiece, 1 on each hip. The flags are built durably and won't rip from a single pull. In fact, these flags are known to withstand the rigors of many seasons of play before needing replacement. The flags are measured at 17 1/4 inches long and 2 inches wide, which is also a standard size for most leagues. This means a flag that is not so long that a player can grab it from a yard away, but not so short that it's impossible to pull from close range. Ultimately, the measurements of these flags give the defenders enough surface area to make the stop, but still leaves enough space for the ball carrier to avoid the pull. Also, these flags and the clip that they fit tightly into is what creates the patented sonic boom or pop to signal the end of a play when the flag is snatched. This loud pop sound helps self-officiated games continue on with fewer arguments over where to spot the ball and begin the next play, as well as for refs to be able to make accurate calls in an organized league. With only 2 flags per player, defenders must have great hand-eye coordination when making a tackle. Furthermore, there has to be enough pressure for the flag to separate from the belt. Players won't be able to just barely grasp the flag and have it fall off. Features and benefits. Number 1, it's tough and flexible in its material. It's long-lasting equipment that's less likely to rip or break after limited use. And this is really important, especially if you're running a weekly pickup game, providing gear for anyone who shows up. You likely aren't charging anyone as an organized league would, so it's even more important the equipment you invest in lasts for the long run. Number 2, it makes a pop sound when the flag is pulled from the belt. The patented sonic boom makes it easier to identify when the play is over and where to spot the ball to start the next play. And number 3, the belt is adjustable. It secures in front through a looping clip that allows for players of all shapes and sizes to enjoy a secure belt that won't fall off during all the cuts and breaks of fast-paced flag football games.